Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Dina. So as you can see, my hair is done. Um, Usually this would be a mini twist video, but I am starting a new journey, and if you can guess, yes, it's Microloc. It's Microlocs. So I've decided to start my microloc journey. It's been something that was in the horizon for a long time, like I would say maybe a couple years, if not even longer. Like I've just been thinking about it and reflecting upon it. And for the last year, I have been doing some more research. Um, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to start um, doing a mini twist journey. It was mainly to protective style my hair, but I wanted to see how it would feel like if I um, if I have like small twists in my hair. How would I style them? How would they look on me and all that stuff. So not saying that mini twists and micro locks are the same, but mini twists are usually or sometimes starter locks, right? So you have like in my case, I start my lock with mini twists, and then I would interlock them as it goes, and I will maintain them by myself. So I wanted to see what it would be like. So that's why for the last year, I have been doing my hair in mini twists. Like I would put them on, and I would put them on for 2 months and then take them out, and then do that again. Like put them on for 2 months, take them down, wash them, and retwist. Sometimes I wash them in the twist. So yeah, I realized it was very tedious. I was just doing that every 2 months for the last year, and it was quite a bit of work. Like I would have 2 months of breaks, and then for when I take them down, I would lose quite a bit of hair. So I just decided, why not just put them in the micro twist? Like I love the look. I'm okay with the maintenance because I've been doing my hair anyways, and I just love the idea of not touching my hair. So this is what I did. I will show you a little bit more details how I did my hair, and a bit of I'll take you through the process so you can see what I did and how long it takes me and all that stuff. So this is what my grid looks like. I knew I was going to do this by myself, so it is a DIY, and I wanted to create a simple grid. This is only 8 parts so that I can make myself easier because I will be maintaining it by myself. I will be doing my own retightening going forward. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is what my hair looks like. This is the finished look. At that time, I had about 435 locks, but I did go back and redid some of them that were a little big, and separate them into two. So now I'm at about 442 locks. And when I do my update, I will be showing you what my hair looks like maybe in a month. I've had them on for like a month now. But yeah, at the time, this is what it looked like. They were really long, and I know it is bittersweet because this was the last time I was gonna see my hair looking like this, with this length and this texture of my hair. So this is what they look like now after a month and after my first wash. Like I said, I will come back to give you an update on what my hair looks like and what I like so far, what I think I did wrong, and all that stuff. And I still very much love it to this point. and I'm hoping to continue to love it, and I know I will. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe you'll learn something. Maybe you're considering having a Microloc. So this would be your sign to go ahead and install your Microloc. If I can do it, I think anybody can do it. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.